Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi S5. In the competitive arena of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi S5 emerges as a standout performer, combining athletic performance, refined luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of Audi's esteemed S5 lineup, this compact sedan redefines the driving experience, offering a potent blend of power and sophistication. At the heart of the 2023 Audi S5 lies a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a commanding 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S5 delivers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the S5 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, offering thrilling performance on demand. However, the S5 is not just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers have meticulously tuned the S5's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the S5 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi S5 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, a distinctive single-frame grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The S5's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and S-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the S5 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi S5 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S5 represents the epitome of performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S5 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or navigating twisty backroads, the S5 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.